representing our ghetto youth. Ghetto youth ngalimu pamoja, ngalimu Chisenyi. It's not possible. It is a real story, born success because of his talent. Together we go pull out your phone. Pull out your phone. Let's see some lights up in here. Let's see some lights up in here. Put on your torch, put on your torch, put on your torch. This is history. From the ghetto to the world. From the ghetto to the world. It is only God, it's only God. Some lights, Manange, don't be mean. This is for the ghetto youth. This is for you to believe in yourself that you can make it. Can I hear the Can I hear the You are ready. 5, 4, 3, 2, Iron! Body ready, Master, body ready. You know me, sit your what? Mercy, from America to the world. Allah, Bigger, Kim, Kaumi, Alien Skin. Can I hear one?
London is fire. Kampala. Ndiwo kaya wanabansulia. Oya Bindo, Richard, come on, go to my head, go on. Yenda muna abazi umwongere zungu mulumani njogera zungu mama le kujja kuwagira n'ensigo n'abandi abantu n'ebyokulungi ne management bamoni forest era agamba ate ebyo byandala okujja kutimba tesogedde ulira n'abatenzi zeno mupe ku respect n'enzi Uganda kubanga Uganda twagala respect naye kageza jenina kankukonjira abo respect namwe mupe ku gavumenti twalira abakulu abamu babagambe babagire mulanga batoko kiranga maso daba oyo
London, thank you so much. Next year.
N'abandi abaddewo n'ebyobulingi ne management Family Forest ebyagambayo ate bo ebino bya ddala okujjako kyembadde soogedde ulira nabadde nzize eno mupe ku respect nange nzize Uganda kubanga Uganda twagala respect naye kati nze gyolina kansooke nkiramu respect namwe muntoko kyamwezi twalira abakulu abamu babagambe bamanyire mulala batoko kiranga mase gamba oyo
oba bakakiranga bafuna muti oba bakaluma bamufuna